Today I'm going to teach you how to edit the recipe organization kit in order to make your own custom recipe binder. Start by opening the recipe organization file from the organization toolbox. Ensure you are using the changeable version of the file in Adobe Acrobat Reader only. When you open the file, notice there are light blue boxes throughout the document. These are editable text fields that you can double-click into at any time to change the text. This document is a smart document, which means that if you change the text in one field, it will change it throughout the entire document. Notice how I typed crockpot into the navy blue field. Now, throughout the document, everywhere there's navy blue text, it has pre-populated to say crockpot. It's important to note that these recipe divider pages are the most limited by size. So you want to have your recipe labels to fit into these pages. For example, if you choose a longer name in a different text box, it may not fit throughout the entire document. See how it is cut off in various areas. However, if you are certain your label fits into these 6 category pages, your category titles will fit perfectly throughout the entire document. Simply by entering your recipe categories into these 6 pages, the document will automatically populate from top to bottom. In mere minutes, you will have perfectly color-coded labels, tabs, pages, dividers, lists, recipe cards, and so much more. Once you're satisfied with your recipe categories, print them out and refer to the blog post at thehomesIhavemade.com to see how to assemble your recipe dividers.